Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review the USB 3.0 SATA hard drive docking station. So in short, this is a kind of housing which you can use to put your hard drives or the HDDs, so to say. Let's open it up together and see what we have got inside. Before that, looking at the box, we see some general information, especially in the back side of it. So it is easy to insert or remove hard drive, so it's supposed to be quite easy to put it or remove it. It's a kind of plug and play, so it doesn't need any extra software. That's quite important. It supports 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch SATA drives. This one is, for example, one HDD, so this is the 3.5 inch. The 2.5 inches, they are a little bit smaller and a little bit tinier in size. So looking further, so it has a USB 3.0 cable, so it's a bit faster because USB 3.0, and it has a power adapter, so it comes with an external power. It's called a docking station, so to say, and it could be used by Windows or Mac. Let's open up the package and see what we have got. So this is the cover. As you know, so this is pretty big because when it supports the bigger hard drives, so they are 3.5 inch, so the box should be also bigger, obviously. That's why the package is quite big. So there we go. Let's open it up. So this is currently the best seller, at least what I see on Amazon. Let's open this up. Pretty light, I would say, really light. Somehow like an empty box to me. So it looks like this from the sides. Very light, it's almost nothing inside it. So it has a USB 3.0 and 12 volt power adapter. Basically you just open it, very simple, and you push the HDD, so to say, like this inside. That's it, connected. You can close this and you turn it on. As simple as that. Let's see what else we have got. Well, it comes with USB 3.0 to USB port, and it has the power adapter. This is a new thing which I see nowadays, so it's a very smart move. You may have seen from other reviews too. Nowadays many brands, they are generating some sort of adapter looking like this. So this is very smart because like this one, they have different heads for different standards. So make it once and use it in all around the world with different heads, as simple as that. So you just put this like this here, you just turn it once and that's it. You can press this here once again and unlock it. Yeah, as simple as that. Pretty cool actually, but very efficient as well in terms of the production. This is our user manual. Make the right choice. Your reviews help. Okay, so they are requesting the review. I would definitely give. And this is our user manual. So it has a light as well. Basically, when you turn it on, you should see a light. And pretty simple, nothing really magical in this one. Very simple box. I would also review this on the computer. I mean, I would connect it to check what is the read and write speed. Obviously the read and write, it depends to the HDD itself as well. So the one I have is a NAS HDD, so it's a little bit more secure, but in a way it's also slower than the other ones. So let's see what we get from the speed perspective. Well, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And if you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please also ensure you subscribe because I have videos on daily basis coming up. In that case, you can stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.